getting more trees cut. So this ivy tree, oh my God, is going to be cut down. So he's up there limbing it, and then they're going to work to get all this ivy off it. And then the one behind it too, which one is going to get cut down. Wow. Wow. Huh? There he is. We just had that opened up a bit. It's way brighter. Looks really good. Okay. There's Jeff. Look at him. Oh my God. Good job. He has to be camera ready. I didn't tell him. Yeah. He's in the ivy. Man, look at the ivy. It's like a tree. I'm trying to clean all that off. Wow. Holy. There's the wood chipper. Hi. These guys work so hard. They cut down 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Trees. So it really opened that up. This is kind of where we park. So it'll be easier to park in here. And then wow, they took that tree right there. Holy cow. That one. Huge. Oh my gosh. Whoa. That will be firewood. Great firewood.